Hold on.
No.
Shut up.
No.
Everyone, this is Stealth from the Heroes Workshop, and I have the professional couch tester, Mr. Spricken, back from his long, strenuous day at work to come to the shop and hang out. So he made it just in time to the shop so he can try on the Iron Man suit that is finally completed. All the parts are here, the legs, the stomach, neck, oh, you see that, all the arms, the chest, all the lights are in. That's a motorized helmet, and I guess we'll suit up. This is the first time he's gonna wear the whole suit all together.
Yeah.
Excited?
Mm.
What are you smelling?
I'm smelling. Just smelling things.
Okay. Getting high off the fumes?
Mm.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's do this. Go smooth.
Look at these moves.
Get your Irish roots.
Yep.
Is that good? Oh.
Yep.
Okay, good.
Sounds good.
This is hilarious though. You can just stay like this forever.
Yeah.
This will be your
Actually
new...
feels like
It's like a second skin.
like cozy. And it makes you feel more super powered.
This will be your new shop uniform forever.
No one
Oh yeah, you know it, yeah.
No one's gonna be seeing any of this.
Oh, they're all gonna see everything. This will all make the cut.
This will not make the cut.
Oh, it'll make the cut, alright. We finally completed the Iron Man suit. Thank you, Mr. Spricken, for trying it on. But I'm sure it was a sucky but cool experience. Hi, what's up? Hey, it's Mr. Spricken in there, guys. Okay, so that's the finished, completed Iron Man suit. Thanks to Mr. Spricken for suiting up. Resin suits can be a little bit uncomfortable, but they pay off in the end because it obviously looks a lot more realistic.
Yeah.
In this kind of material. How do you feel in that?
Feels good. Feels nice and snug. I don't mind being locked into it because it feels like it's not going to fall off me or move.
Okay, so you feel like comfortable having it on, and you're not worried about
nothing's digging into me, and there's enough room in my chest and abdomen where I don't feel like I can't breathe.
Like you're claustrophobic.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. That's good to know. Yeah, it looks really good on you, man. You look like Tony Stark under there. No joke.
Yeah. Thanks.
Look at this guy. Tony Stark, dead ringer. Yeah. Hello, Hollywood.
That's right. Call me.
Call. Yeah, so we're finally done the suit. We're gonna get back to our usual projects of tutorials and all that other stuff that we usually do around here. Finally get back to the swing of things. I just want you guys to know, like usual, when I finish the suit, this suit is now for sale. It'll be on heroesworkshop.com. You can buy this suit. There was only one. I will not be making more or doing anything. This is the only one left in existence of this material. It's a polyurethane resin. All the information is on heroesworkshop.com. The link is right here. Go there if you want this suit. Free shipping to USA and Canada. International shipping, message us for international quote and we'll get right back to you and we'll ship it out to you. No problem. And Mr. Spricken is included in the sale.
Yes, and we will sign the inside of the suit.
Yeah, we'll autograph the inside just because it's a one-off. Would be like one.
Me personally, if I could buy this suit, I would get it to put on a mannequin and have it standing in my room at all times, or in the living room for like a super conversation piece.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Sure, you can wear it, but the best thing for this suit is to put it on display on a mannequin. Remember, the helmet also is included, a motorized faceplate helmet, as you saw the function, and light up arc reactor and light up repulsor gloves. This is the kind of suit, because of the material, it's probably better to leave on a mannequin. Every once in a while, maybe suit up and, you know, take it somewhere for pictures and stuff and just have some fun with it. Do whatever you want with it, really. But yeah, it's for sale. That's all I wanted to show you was the suit up video, and we're glad that it's finished. I put so much work into this years ago, and I'm glad that I was finally able to come full circle with this project and defeat the ghost of my past with the help of Mr. Spricken, because I had no one else to put it on.
And now we need your help to get it the heck out of here.
Yeah, we need your help to buy it and get it out of here so we can use that money to fund new projects and other things and a lot of stuff, a lot of content for you guys. So that's it. This is Stealth and
Mr. Spricken.
Mr. Spricken, aka Tony Stark. Thanks for watching. This is the Heroes Workshop, and we'll be coming back with some new content soon. And remember to keep building and have fun. Thanks, man. All right, see you later.
You're gonna get me out of this thing, right?
Yeah, tomorrow I'll be back.